So in this video we're going to demonstrate how lingual neural testing works in the nutrition therapy process. So on this client I'm going to go ahead and palpate the Bennett's reflex right over his belly button, and we'll do that just to get some ratings to start here. So go ahead, John, and give me some numbers on this reflex point.
5.
5. Okay.
4.
4.
4.
4, great.
4.
4. Okay, so he's rating them about 5, 4, that range in there. Now this is a reflex for the small intestine, so I'm going to test him on a couple of nutrients that usually people test well for, so usually one or the other they test a little better for. So to start, I'm going to give him something called Hydrozyme, which is a stomach acid supplement. So I'm going to have you go ahead and put this on your tongue. Okay, and then he just keeps it on his tongue for about 20 seconds here. The idea is to taste the supplement, but you're not going to swallow it. You can chew it if you need to chew it, but with Hydrozyme, usually the taste gets released, and that gets it.
I can taste it.
Yeah, that stimulates the nervous system to give feedback via the body as to whether or not this is going to be helpful for him. Okay, so that's about enough time to retest this here. So we're going to go back around and test the same point. So go ahead and give me a number here, John.
3.
3. Okay. All right, what about right here?
3.
Good. How about right here?
3.
Okay. And how about right here?
2.
2. Okay, so he did test a little bit better, so you can go ahead and sit up for a minute and spit that one out. We're going to do one more just for the purposes of this demo here. I can take that from you. Okay, so this other nutrient, just go ahead and put your hand out on this one. It is called Gastrozyme. This one you're going to have to chew and break it up on your tongue to release the taste a little bit. So you can do that. Go ahead and lay back down. So Gastrozyme is another upper GI stomach healing nutrient that people usually test really well for. So we'll kind of see how John comes out here with the Gastrozyme.
Tastes really flat.
Yeah, it's got, these definitely are going to taste a little not so good, so. Alright, so go ahead and I want you to give me a number here.
2.
Good. How about here?
3.
A 3 on that one, good. And right here?
2.
Okay, great. And how about right here?
1.
Okay, good. So it ranged from about a 3 to a 1. So in general, from the 5 to 4 range to a 1 to 3 range, most of those being in the 1 to 2 range, that's about a half reduction in his tenderness rating. So Gastrozyme would definitely be a nutrient that I would consider working with John. Of course, there's other nutrients I could test on him as well, but starting out, that kind of gives you an idea of how I start to test different supplements to see what the client really is testing well for, what's going to help them overall in the process.